Hello and welcome back to my Pondicherry diaries. I've only done one vlog. So today I am in Pondicherry and I have never visited here before. This is my third day here and we've had a great time. I shared my vlog one in case you want to watch it. Visited Oroville today where you can't really take a phone and no photography is allowed, so I couldn't really vlog it. But we have now checked into Gratitude, which is a really old building which was restored around 20 years ago. So I am going to start this vlog by showing you around because we have just checked in. So let's do it. It's just stunning, absolutely stunning. As stunning as the last place. Yeah, let's do it. Let me show you around. So we have checked in to Gratitude and now it's time for some lunch. I once again want something local, some flavors I haven't had before, and I think this might be the right place for it. Check it out. So just come to the South Indian kitchen for some food. Actually we came to Karthik again and then that was closed, so we just found this. It was full of locals inside, so we thought that's a good sign. So we're gonna go eat some food here. And this is a chicken chicken karai soru, which is like a traditional Tamil, very spicy chicken rice dish. The guy has warned me that it is very spicy and it's very hot. Oh yes, it's spicy. It is so good. So lunch is sorted and now we are stopping for coffee. We tried coffee here yesterday and it was so good, so we're back for more. Let me show you.
Coffee, half sugar, half.
place. It's got non-veg, fresh fruit. So we are going to Madurai Bidu to try some food. We are walking there, so it's a bit. Keep your eyes open. So we are going to have nool paratha combo and some Madurai chicken biryani. This is Malabar fish. That is the biryani. Thank you.
So, plain curry with the parota or biryani.
Okay.
And onion rice.
Okay.
Can I have that one and you have the other one? It's bigger.
Just out of the Madurai Bidu, the nool parathas were amazing. The Malabar paratha was amazing. The Chetna chicken curry was better this afternoon. This tasted more heat rather than flavor. That was so flavorful. The chicken rice biryani, it's definitely not a biryani, but I think that's what everyone calls it here, was alright. Again, the rice this afternoon was so much more delicious. So if I had one meal to have in in Pondicherry, and if I have to choose between the two, I would 100% go to the South Indian cafe place and skip this one. And now that we have finished dinner, I've just been told by someone that there is a Jamun festival going in like a bar or something where they are making Jamun cocktails. Jamun is like a berry. I don't know the English name of it. It's a purple color berry. It's in season right now. It has a very short season. Like cherry, it has a very short season. So we're now going to head to the bar to try some of the Jamun things. Have got cocktails with Jamun. There's 1, 2, and then this is a Jamun cider. You can see it's purple color actually here. Never had Jamun drinks ever. Jamun rice. And the jamun. We are just on come for a little walk on the seafront, and I've just come across a really nice street food market. Don't worry, I'm not eating anymore, but it's really nice. Yeah. I'm just gonna look around. How can I not? What, chili chicken?
Chicken no, madam. Only cauliflower.
Cauliflower. And that's the lighthouse that has been recently renovated and opened to public, and now we are at the promenade. So it's been a really long day full of adventures. Started really early morning with Oroville, and then it has been non-stop. Really hot day, the hottest day so far. And yeah, it's been really interesting. Lots of trying different things, but it's time to call it a day, and I'm just gonna go for a quick walk. I will just show you this seafront, and then it's a wrap for this vlog. That's a nice shot, isn't it? We did a little heritage walk yesterday of the French quarters, and tomorrow we are hoping to do a little heritage walk of the Tamil quarters, which is going to be very different. So quite interesting, so much history, and yeah, so hope you enjoyed the vlog. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you back. I will try and make one more vlog if possible, and that's it. Bye for now.